name is Lottie, and I'm officially starting my new marathon for preparing to IELTS. I'm so excited because I'm still a student, second year student of a college, and this is so weird for me actually, but I'm so excited, and I'm already making the presentation and preparing all the materials for tomorrow's marathon, and it will be so fun. I know, right, that it's way too early to start like some types of marathons, but at the same time, I just want to try it. So let's try, and we will see how it will be. So if you want to join, I will just write the link, and